Hello everyone, welcome back to A4 Analysis. Today in this video we'll be talking about z-score and how to use z-table. So if you have ended up in this video, I will imagine that you already know what z-score is and you at least have a z-table handy, or you can use this z-table as given in this blog. So there are actually two tables. One is for negative z-score. As you can see, the row indices are negative, and there is one more similar z-table which is in positive. So all the numbers given in this table represent the area to the left of the z-score. Now let's look at one example. How do we interpret this table, or how can we make use of this table? Say for example, we are given with a confidence interval 95% and we want to know the corresponding z-score. So in order to calculate z-score or to find out z-score from the given z-table, first we have to find out the area under the curve for the given confidence interval, which can be given by 1 plus the confidence interval total divided by 2, which is 0.975. Now we have to look up 0.975 in this table. As you will see that 0.975 is somewhere here. So for 0.975, which is the area under the curve, we have to look up the row index, which is 1.9, and the column index, which is 0.06. So if we add these two up, 1.9 and 0.06, we will get the corresponding z-score, which is 1.96 for 95% confidence interval. So it is as simple as that. Whenever we are given with any confidence interval, we can find the z-score using the z-table as explained. There are some popular confidence interval and their z-scores I have mentioned separately because these are the z-score we often need to use and remember, and sometimes we are not provided with a z-table for these commonly used confidence intervals. So this can come handy when you are practicing some assignments, right? So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys found this video useful, and if you found this useful, please make sure to subscribe, comment, share, and all of those things, right? We'll meet again very, very soon. Bye, guys.